Hello and welcome to Physics Problems One by One.
So here is a problem. As always, read it, maybe once, maybe twice, and then pause the video and try to solve it yourself.
This will be the beginning of my special playlist about vectors. Because you have to be a little bit fluent with vectors to proceed with physics. Like all those forces, all those angles, this way, that way, how you add this. And I decided to separate it in a special playlist, and I will put several very simple problems. And I start with the very first one. We have this vector and we have that vector. We have A vector and we have B vector. And they are parallel, and this distance, this vector is 10 in length and this vector is 5 in length. And we want to find A plus B. And it may be a very simple physical problem. It may be a river, and on this river we have A velocity of the stream, it's 10, and then there is a boat that they row with velocity of 5, and how fast they go against the shore. And we already know, and it's kind of subconsciously obvious, that we have to add those two, and it's very simple. When it's along one line, we simply have to say that everything goes along one line, and we take this vector, leave it as this, and this vector will move, so it's parallel to each other, and it becomes like this. So we put the beginning of this vector to the end of this vector and draw it as this parallel to itself, and it's absolutely obvious that A plus B plus C, this would be C, and the length of C would be 15. This is very, very similar, simple and obvious and standard. Likewise, what if they want us to subtract this? Subtract those vectors. Subtraction is very simple. If they want us to do A minus B, that's all you have to do. You have to draw a vector minus B. This would be minus B, because it's the same length 5, but direction is opposite. And now you have to add those vectors, and when you're adding those vectors, this and this would be like this. You take this A and you move this, so this becomes the end, and you move this, so this becomes here, and this minus this, and the vector C becomes 10 minus the length of vector C becomes 10 minus 5, and it becomes 5. And it's kind of so obvious, and we did it so many times with the boat flowing down and up, and one time the boat adds the speed of the stream, and another time the boat subtracts the velocity of the stream. But anyway, that's a very simple case, and my next video would be more substantial when I will be talking about real vectors, not in the same direction, but in two planes. Thank you very much. Subscribe, bell, like, question, problem, and I see you next time.